Hey, how would you like to know one of the secrets of the universe? I'm being serious. This will be in the fourth edition of my very popular book, Uncovering the Missing Secrets of Magnetism, which is free, by the way, on archive.org. Let's first talk about time very quickly. I'm going to put this in a nutshell really fast. Time and magnitude are one and the same thing. Time doesn't exist. Time is only a measure. Time is only relational to magnitudes. Now, as I've told you before, 10,000 times at least, all magnitude in the visible universe, or the cosmos athitos, i.e. a phenomena, has magnitude only due to magnetism. In other words, the air in the balloon of every atom, if you will, is magnetism and magnetism alone. Magnetodielectricity specifically. But anyway, all magnitude is magnetism. And since magnitude is time, this is by default, of course, meant that time is magnetism, and magnetism is the spawn of time. There is no difference between magnetism and time. Now, let's get on to the other point, okay? The entire universe is unpolarized when it comes to phenomena, except for magnets. Magnets, of course, have coherent fields, right? We have a polarized entity, okay? So we have polarized magnetism with a plane of inertia. What this means, and here's the key point, listen closely, this means that time can be polarized. I discovered that phase shift, yes, it's my discovery, at a rate of 1 to phi. That's correct, at a ratio of 1 to 1.618033, etc., etc., etc. Right? Right? So, remember when I did the seed experiments? Obviously, that was not my discovery. However, Rawls and Davis discovered that seeds and animals and other things were radically affected by polarized magnetic fields. That is polarized time. We don't normally experience that when it comes to regular phenomena because we have asymmetry. Asymmetry of atomic polarization, like a piece of metal, a human being, plastic, tree, everything is asymmetrical as far as the geomagnetic precession of the magnetic entities that make up any and all phenomena, except when it comes to polarized entities. And then we have, obviously, in the case of a magnet, we have polarization. When we have polarization, we have a large entity, a magnet, a coherent field. The only thing that defines a magnet is field coherency. What we have is polarized time. And this is, okay, you're hearing it here for the first time ever, this is the reason why the phase shift exists and things, living things, seeds, whatnot, are radically affected by North Pole magnetism versus South Pole magnetism. Why? Because due to the coherent entity in each and every magnet, we have the polarization of time, which it exists at a ratio of 1 to phi, which is my discovery. So, the source of that phase shift is polarized time. Understood? Thanks for watching. If you'd like to make a donation, this would be the time to do it. Thanks, bye.